Here's my CPAD 10. First things, let's secure the lock screen. Go to Settings, Security and Privacy. Choose a pattern lock, draw your custom gesture, and done. Lock and unlock smoothly. Now your privacy is protected. Swipe up to enter your app drawer. All your apps live here. Swipe down to go back home. Swipe down again from the top. You'll find two treasure zones. Left side, quick settings. Tap and hold for more options. Right side, notifications at a glance. Connecting to Wi-Fi is a breeze. Select your network. Enter the password. And once connected, you can even generate a shareable QR code. Let friends join without typing the password. Bluetooth can do it all. Pair headphones, smartwatches, TVs. Just one tap, and you're connected. Wireless freedom at its best. Screen recording to fingers. Swipe in from the far left. Recording starts. Swipe again to save. Seamless audio feedback from start to finish. Screenshots made simpler. Screenshots made easy. Just swipe to fingers from the right edge. Done. Chat and watch. Long press an app. Select split screen. Ike your second app, then adjust the window size. By sliding, game changer. Here's a hidden gem, the floating ball. Display, settings gives on. One-tap access to shortcuts. Even faster than gestures. Detailed guides marked, go try them now gives.